Jai Shri Krishna friends, welcome to my health and taste. Today I am going to make spiced buttermilk. This is really easy to make and it is very cool for the stomach. In these hot summer days, you can make this and have this daily. It's really good for digestion and it is very cool for the stomach. So all the ingredients I've already mentioned in the description box below. You can go through them. Now we'll start making. In a mixie jar I have taken curd. For 1 cup of curd I have taken 1 cup of cold water, and then to this we'll add some mint leaves. These mint leaves are washed, and once we'll grind everything, these will turn into pieces and they won't come as is. To this we'll add black salt, and then roasted cumin powder. Then to this we'll add Sendha, Namak or rock salt. Now we'll add black pepper powder and some Asafoetida or Hing. Once we add all these spices, we'll cover the lid of the mixture and turn on the mixer. Once the mixture is properly blended, it will take around 1 minute to blend this completely, or even 30 seconds. If your mixture is too good, it will be done in 30 seconds also. So we are done with the spiced buttermilk. You can adjust the consistency of the buttermilk according to yourself. Here I am chopping the curry leaves. So here I am using a kitchen scissor to chop the curry leaves. It's really easy to do it with a scissor. So we'll heat some oil in a pan. I've taken mustard oil here. If you want, you can take any other oil or even ghee, but once the buttermilk is cold, it will taste buttery. So here I have put rye and cumin seeds to the oil, and then we'll put some curry leaves, saute it for around a minute, and we are done. We are good to go. We'll just turn off the stove and mix this mixture in our buttermilk. So once we are done with this, we'll just chop some coriander leaves. So it's really easy to chop with a kitchen knife, so you can always go ahead and use a kitchen knife. And then we'll mix this coriander leaf in the buttermilk. So once everything is mixed well together, chill it in refrigerator for some time and serve cold. So you can adjust the consistency according to your taste. If you want it to be more thick, add less water. If you want it to be little fluid, little liquid consistency, you can add more water. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Stay hydrated, stay cool this summer. Bye bye.